Good morning, students. So, yesterday we were dealing with the topic called what do we mean by advertising, and we also understood what are the merits or importance of advertising to traders or producers. Before starting today's session, I would like to give a small briefing of whatever we have learned in the last video session. In the last video session, we learned about the term called advertising, and we also understood that advertising is a process of informing a huge mass of people regarding a new product, regarding a service. It is not only necessary to introduce or inform a new product, but it is also important to educate people about the existing product in the market. We have understood through various examples. We have said that advertising is done through various means. There are advertisements on televisions, advertisements on your social networking sites that you handle like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. So, we also understood that how advertising is important for producers and traders. We went through various points, but I will just give a small briefing of it. We said that advertising is important to producers and traders because it helps them to understand their competitors in the market. It helps them that is there a kind of company or organization which is going to launch a product that is similar to what they are producing in their company? What are the qualities or features of the product that the company is going to launch? I gave you an example of various kind of hand wash. There is a Dettol hand wash, there is a Savlon hand wash. If the company involved in in manufacturing Savlon is producing Savlon with different qualities in it, so the competitor, the Dettol or Lifebuoy, will think that what can be the features that can be added in their hand wash to outstand in the market as compared to the Savlon hand wash. Okay? If you have not gone through the last video, please go through it. So today we are again going to deal with two important topics, that is what is the merits or importance of advertisement to customers, and we will also deal with what are the merits of advertisement to the society. So before that, let me ask you, what are customers? What do I mean by customers here? Take a pause and think, who are customers? Are we customers? Yes, we are customers. So how is it beneficial to me? Now, what happens before you are going to purchase a mobile phone? Take for example, in the shop, what happens? You already know about different kind of mobile phones which are available in the market. You know about the features, you know about the price, and you know that within your budget which phone suits you, right? How do you get to know about these products which are availing in the market? How do you get to know? You get to know through the advertisements. Again, the advertisements can be through different modes. It can be shown in the television, it can be printed on newspaper, it can be available on social networking sites, and many more. Now let's understand through few points. The first point is convenience. It says that advertisement helps in knowing about the features of the product, knowing about the price of the product, plus it reduces the time and effort involved in shopping. Now let's take the same example that I gave you right now. For example, if you want to purchase a mobile phone within your budget, that is rupees 10,000. So you know that during the recent time which kind of phones are available within your budget, within rupees 10,000. You know about the different features, you know about the price, you know that what kind of mobile would you prefer purchasing it within that amount, within that limit. So what happened? Think if there was no advertisement, think if you did not know about the different kind of mobiles prevailing in the market. What would you do? You would go to the shop, ask the trader that please tell me कि भैया 10,000 में मुझे फ़ोन दिखाइए. उसके बाद आप क्या करते? आप उनसे पूछते कि भैया मुझे एक एक चीज़ का फीचर बताओ, इसका कैमरा क्वालिटी, इसका रैम, इसका रोम, इसका इंटरनल स्टोरेज, सब कुछ आप पूछते है ना. लेकिन उससे क्या होता? एक तो जो ट्रेडर है, जो शॉपकीपर है, जो सेलर है, एक तो उनका टाइम बर्बाद होता, प्लस आप एज अ कंज्यूमर आप जो जाते, आपका भी टाइम बर्बाद होता एक एक चीज़ समझने में. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे आपको पहले से ही पता है कि आपको क्या क्या फीचर्स के फ़ोन लेने हैं और कितने बजट में लेने हैं, राइट। तो आपके लिए भी टाइम बच रहा है और जो ट्रेडर है, जो शॉपकीपर है, जो सेलर है, उसका भी टाइम बच रहा है, राइट। तो इसी तरीके से आपको ये कन्वीनियंस का मतलब है कितना ईजिली आप ये काम कर पा रहे हो थ्रू एडवर्टाइजिंग। ओके, नाउ विल मूव टू द सेकंड पॉइंट, दैट इज एजुकेशन ऑफ कंज्यूमर्स। यू नो वेरी वेल, व्हेन अ प्रोडक्ट इज लॉन्च्ड इन द मार्केट और इवन अ एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट, जो प्रोडक्ट ऑलरेडी मार्केट में है, you are getting educated, you're getting the knowledge of these products, right? Like if you use Lysol, you know Lysol, आजकल तो बहुत एड्स आ रहे हैं Lysol के ड्यू टू कोरोना वायरस। What is Lysol? Lysol is a kind of, so Lysol is a kind of liquid that is used to sanitize our house, to clean our house, right? तो अभी क्या होता है, but you know that when you are actually purchasing the Lysol, or even if you see advertisement of Lysol on the television, you see that बच्चों से दूर रखे, right? Keep it away from the children, right? तो उससे क्या हो रहा है, the advertisement in a way is creating an education, is giving an education to the consumer that okay, this product is for this use, but it is not to be used or it is not to be consumed by people, right? ऐसे बहुत सारे products हैं, so it is educating it. In case अगर आपको नहीं पता रहता तो it would have led to a huge loss, right? Loss of life. Then better quality. अब better quality से क्या होता है? Advertising is done through brand names. Producers try to create special features in their products. Consumers get better quality and variety of goods. अब brand name आप ले लो Samsung. अब इसमें क्या होता है? There is a brand name called Samsung. In Samsung, they are launching different kind of mobile with a different range, with different products, different features. और वो आपके लिए आसान पड़ जाता है कि मैं सैमसंग का फ़ोन लूँ या नोकिया का फ़ोन लूँ। एज अ कस्टमर आप सोचते हो कि मुझे तो एडवर्टीजमेंट बहुत सारे मोबाइल का दिखाया जाता है, मुझे हुआई का दिखाया जाता है, मुझे रेडमी का दिखाया जाता है, बहुत सारा है, लेकिन मुझे क्या लेना है, मेरे लिए कौन सा फीचर बेस्ट है। बहुत लोग ये सोचते हैं कि जिसका कस्टमर सर्विसिंग बेटर है मैं वो खरीदूंगा। सो दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन कस्टमर टू कस्टमर, दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, बट advertising is actually helping the person to know about the different brands that are prevailing in the market. Okay, we'll move to the fourth point, that is consumer surplus. Consumer surplus का मतलब ये है that consumer base. Okay, so once the product is advertised through different medias, through different modes, what happens? The consumer, basically the prevailing or the prospective buyers. I have told you who are prospective buyers. Prospective buyers are those people who are willing to purchase a good, right? But he has an option कि मैं कौन से कंपनी से खरीदूं. So he is a prospective buyer. So consumer surplus का मतलब है कि more and more number of consumer base को बढ़ाना. अब ज़्यादा एडवर्टाइज करेंगे, अगर अच्छा एडवर्टीजमेंट रहेगा, लोगों को अगर पसंद आएगा, तो लोगों के मन में ये विचार रहेगा दैट ओके, मैं इस प्रोडक्ट को जब भी मेरे को खरीदना होगा मैं इसी कंपनी का प्रोडक्ट को खरीदूंगा। तो इससे क्या होता है, द एडवर्टीजमेंट एक्चुअली क्रिएट्स द इनडायरेक्ट लिंक बिटवीन द प्रोड्यूसर एंड द कंज्यूमर। Getting my point? So that is consumer surplus. Plus the satisfaction that is earned after utilizing or using that product, that brings consumer surplus. And because you know that the satisfaction is earned from this product, what will happen? The consumer will always go and purchase the good from that same company. Okay? Ab, let's understand the merits to society. Now who is society? What is society? Think about it. So society is basically the surrounding, the locality where you live. Okay? आपका जो मोहल्ला है वो आपका सोसाइटी हो गया. So society, how is advertisement beneficial to society? पहला point है employment generation. Let's understand this point through an example. When you enter McCluskeyganj, you see that there are so many boards of schools, there are hoardings, there are small pamphlets which are sticked to the walls. What happens? They have written about different kind of hostel, girls hostel, boys hostel, school, tuitions, etc. So think about it, that even a small board that is placed near to Don Bosco Academy, our school, okay, so you can see that even a small board that is placed, it is giving employment to so many people. How? Think about the person who is painting the board, think about the person who is fixing that board, think about the person who is writing the board. So it is creating employment generation to the people on a regular basis. So what happens, this board is also a form of advertisement. Okay, it is creating awareness to the people who are coming outside McCluskey-Ganj that there are so many hostel, and the person who is going to choose the hostel, he has got so many options. So what I mean to say is, even by making this small board, there are so many people who are earning their livelihood. Okay. Now, higher standard of living. Higher standard of living का मतलब है, the more the individual earns, the more the standard of living will increase. ठीक है, I explain through an arrow. Per capita means the individual's income. अगर वो 10 रुपये कमाता था प्रतिदिन का, अभी वो अगर 20 रुपये कमाता है, उसका स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग बढ़ेगा, क्योंकि उसके पास उसका जो बजट है किसी भी प्रोडक्ट को खरीदने का, वो बढ़ जाएगा. जो 10 रुपये का था, अब उसके पास ये ऑप्शन है कि मैं 20 रुपये तक का भी सामान खरीद सकता हूँ. सो दैट इज हायर स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग. ओके. नाउ थ्रू एडवर्टीजमेंट व्हाट विल हैपन, you are getting different kind of standard of living because new uses of product for improving the standard of living. Advertisement से आपको पता चलता है कि बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स है मार्केट पे, और आपको कौन सा प्रोडक्ट एक्चुअली में खरीदना चाहिए उस बजट में, दैट विल हेल्प यू टू improve your living. ठीक है. The third point is sustains the press. Now what is press? Press means newspapers, magazines, television, these all are press. So यहाँ पे क्या होता है, you might see when you open a newspaper there are numerous advertisements of different kind of products, right? Clothing, then different kind of snacks, and then different things. So this press, I mean to say newspaper or magazines or television, they earn a lot from these advertisements that they showcase in their papers. So this press earns revenue out of this activities. Revenue means they are earning money out of this. अगर advertisement नहीं रहेगा, वो कितना खबर छापेंगे? They have to produce some kind of advertisements there. So the person or the producer who wants to advertise its product approaches this press and asks them to advertise their product, and the press people asks money in exchange of it. Okay. So the press is an important source of providing knowledge about the product to many people, because like newspaper, it is read by so many people in India. So through a simple newspaper, the product is known to so many people, okay, across India. The fourth point is art and culture. Now let's understand the very simple point. See, in a society there are different kind of people that lives in. But there are many people who have not even visited the other states of our own country, but they still know about the culture of that country. ठीक है? Like if I am a Gujarati, so I know very well that how does the Bengali dress, what are the traditional food of Bengali. How do I know? Think that if I have not visited West Bengal, but still I know, because I have known it through various advertisements. I have seen that there are people wearing saris in Bengali style. I have seen that there are different food that are eaten by Bengali people through various advertisements on television, through various advertisements published on newspaper. So the advertisement is also helpful in promoting or in knowing the art and culture of different place. It is not necessary that within the state. There are people you see on an entertainment section available in the newspaper, you see a different kind of fashion, different dresses of the different internationally, right? So you get to know, you have not visited that place, but you get to know about the culture, about the art of that place. So advertisement is so important, and therefore it helps the society to learn a lot of different parts of the country or different parts of the world. I hope you have understood how advertisement benefits the customers, how advertisement benefits to the society, and the homework for you is you need to write the benefits or merits of advertisement to customers and society in your homework copy. Please note that the keywords have to be marked again and again, and there should be a subheading, and you must write 2 to 3 lines if possible with example under that subheading. Thank you.